is skinny. He needs to eat more. Your pants are all too big because you're so skinny. Are you helping her get her hands all clean? You're so nice. You are crazy. What? Hey you guys, how's it going? How's your day today? So I went to the gym this morning and I was trying to learn how to do muscle ups since I was using a box to kind of like get that muscle memory. And I was a dingling and did not pay attention when I came down. I just racked my shins. They hurt so bad. It's going down now, but I look like I had a golf ball on them. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that shin? Yeah, there's that one. That one right there. And then I got this one pretty good too. Yeah, so I'm ready to cry. I need some ice on myself. And then Mr. Jet over here is skinny. He needs to eat more. Your pants are all too big because you're so skinny. You're skinny and tall, huh? Yeah, so I've been buying him new pants lately, but his pants are, these ones still need to be washed, which I think will help, but his pants are long enough, but they're too big around the waist. So you need to eat more. Yeah. Are you helping her get her hands all clean? You're so nice. You're a good babysitter, buddy. I love you, thank you. Tell me what you're thinking.
I'm gonna ride the hoverboard on my knees.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna do crazy spins.
Okay, let's do it.
I can go really fast on it and do really insane spins.
He's been asking me to come down and watch his tricks, so here we go. I'm ready. You're so good at this stuff. What? You can ride it on your knees?
Yep.
You're crazy, buddy. What? Oh my gosh, kid. Whoa, careful, careful. You are so talented. No hands yet. Oh my gosh, you're scaring me. Whoa. Whoa. How do you have that such good balance? Backwards even? Oh. Oh my gosh, kid. You are crazy. What? What? Show me. Oh my gosh. You're such a good thinker. So you had dirty hands with the cinnamon roll and she was cleaning them for you?
Cleaning.
Oh, is she cleaning all your hands off for you? I guess that's one way to do it, huh? Oh goodness.
See it? I'm on Oh, nothing. I don't know what that is.
It's just part of the balloon.
Oh gosh. I think it's good. Yeah, I can't get any bigger. No, Jake, it can. Remember, it was supposed to get like... Oh, it feels so bad.
What do you think? How big do you think we can get that? What do you think, Dad?
10 pounds. Guys, go.
Because it definitely blows up bigger, but I don't know about water. What do you think?
Well, volume is volume. Technically, you get to 36 inches. I don't want it to be brittle.
Yeah.
want it to be able to stretch. It's
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah, Cash, why don't you go turn the water off, honey?
Yeah, go turn. Wait, Michael, do you hear that? That might rip the tramp net.
Did you know when I was a kid, Jet,
That might rip the tramp
I had a
net,
bed.
guys.
I slept on water every night. I had a water bed when I was a kid.
Oh, I love water.
I did too.
Put it on my stomach. Oh my. Wait, why are you trying it?
Oh my.
So we can do it.
So you can jump with it.
Yeah. No. Don't pop it though.
It's like a flubber.
It does, huh?
Who's the bravest one here?
I will. I am.
Sunset.
Nope.
Jump on it. Everyone who's the bravest is.
Who knows how to do a belly flop?
I do. Dad, I do.
Who dares do a belly flop right on top of it? Yeah, I'm gonna pick a number between 1 and 5.
Okay.
And whoever's closest gets to do a belly flop first.
Oh no. Okay. 3.
3, 4.
3.
You, Cash, already picked 3.